Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account cannot be created at this time and Apple ID error. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to create an Apple ID, you face the error that your account could not be created at this time. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll down your control center and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a sound network connection. Or you can also try to use anything else to check if your network is working well or not. Then go ahead to your settings app here, go to general, go to VPN and device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. If you're connected, just try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, simply go back from here and go to language region option. Select region and select your own region in which you are living. After selecting a region, just go back, go to date and time section, enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Again, go back, go to software update, and just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back from here and you can try to reset your network settings. So go to general here, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings if there will be any issue with your iPhone network settings. It will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, you have to try to make a forced restart before you retry. Now to do this, quickly press the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here, you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue must have to be fixed if it's just a network issue. But if your issue is still not fixed, so you can try to check Apple system status. Go to your browser and here simply search for Apple system status. Just search for this. Open the first website from here and here just tap on this plus or the cross icon here and then look for Apple account if it available or not. You can also look for iCloud login. Here as you can see iCloud account and sign in is available. So now you can easily create your account without an issue so your server is not down. If you might see it's unavailable, it might be that your server is down. You can try to wait for almost 1 hour, 2 hour, or sometimes it might take 24 hours to recover. So after that, you can easily create a new account. Or if you might see that it's available, there's no any issue. So you can go to browser or search again. Here it says for Apple ID apple.com. Just search for this website. Here's the Apple ID.apple.com and just wait for it until the website will logged. And here you just have to tap on this arrow button here and then select create your Apple account. So if if you can't create your account on your phone, so you can use your browser or you can also use the same website in any other device. It might be your PC, your phone, to create a new account. And after creating a new account, you can easily log in that account in your phone. Or you can also try to contact the Apple support team if you're still facing the same issue. So now to do this, open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store. You can use Apple Support Web. Select iPhone from here. Select this more option. You can select from App Store from here. Or you can also go back, go to the more products section, then select Apple account. Just select other Apple account topics. Then select creating an Apple account. And then just wait for the loading. Then tap on get more help. And here just tap on colors. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.